Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alerts. Walk-in interviews in Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited, Dahej, which are conducted on 4th August 2024 Sunday. Job location is in Dahej and the job details are QC formulation. The job role, executive or technical assistant. Experience for this is 2 to 8 years, and the qualification for QC formulation, MSc or Bsc, and the job description for QC formulation, experience in method validation, method transfer, FG, RM, CG, GLP, etc., and QA formulation, job role, executive or technical assistant, experience 2 to 8 years, and the qualification for QA formulation, Mpharm or Bpharm, documentation and issuance, compliance related 21 CFR, audit trail review, exposure in self-inspection, process validation. And the next department, formulation manufacturing. And the job role for this is technician, and experience for this is 2 to 5 years. Qualification ITI, visual, camera, inspection machine, fatigue compression, Sejang compression, granulation equipment, capsule filling machine operator. And the next department is same, formulation manufacturing, and the job role is technical assistant, and the experience for this is 2 to 5 years. Qualification Bpharm, job description for formulation manufacturing tablet, experience in online documentation, BMR, QMS, and the next department is formulation manufacturing packing. Job role is technician, experience 2 to 5 years, qualification ITI, BQS, Romaco blister packing machine operator, auto cartonator machine operator. Interview venue, Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited, Dahej. Walk-in interview date 4th August 2024, Sunday. Time morning 9:30 to evening 4. Candidates who are unable to attend the interview can scan the following QR code. Candidate with experience in regulatory plant will be an added advantage. Thank you.